Do you know GF Machining Solutions? The company has over 100 years of experience in high-precision metalworking. Do you know what is great about it? It is moving forward towards technical innovation and is fully embracing today's challenges along with social and environmental responsibility. In 2019, the company united its milling production centers into one brand new one in Biel, Switzerland. This is now the headquarters of the GF division.
My name is Destin, and I am an apprentice here. How about we take a look around?
Here, we develop and produce high-quality and dynamic milling machines that provide the highest accuracy and surface finish, and also showcase the finest of Swiss engineering. One of our focuses is innovation, and in our pursuit for excellence, we collaborate with research institutes, universities, and customers when conceiving the design of our machines. Another focus is quality. We take utmost care in strictly inspecting all machine components at every step of the production. Our stock is fully automated. This ensures that all of our components are stored and monitored rapidly and efficiently. Our production area is 13,700 square meters and is entirely dedicated to milling. To ensure the best working conditions, we maintain a constant temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. The machines made here naturally don't build themselves, and for this task we have our employees to thank. We pride ourselves on the high qualification, expertise, and performance of our workers, and we couldn't do any of this without them. Here, we assemble the most essential strategic components of the machines, such as the very well-known StepTech spindles, as well as the rotary turntables equipped with torque motors. To check the geometry and the alignment of the machines, we use specialized laser measurement systems to ensure the highest level of accuracy. Before the machine is presented to the customer, we conduct many tests on challenging parts to ensure the capabilities and quality of the machine. The acquired test data is then used to save a unique fingerprint, which can be accessed at a moment's notice. Only after approval is the machine then shipped to the customer. Lastly, after setting up a new machine for a customer, tests are run again in order to cross-reference the customer's results with ours. This ensures that all clients are truly getting the high-performance machine they were counting on. You are welcome to visit our Center of Competences in Biel anytime. Not only can you see our milling machines here, but also our latest innovative solutions in EDM and laser technologies. Here in Biel, we also take care of our customers' requests and ensure the transfer of knowledge to our technicians and apprentices, as well as to internal or external trainees. We work together as a global team at the forefront of technological innovation and caring for each other. We do our work with a conscience and awareness of our environmental responsibility. The production and the building are fully carbon neutral and have been recently awarded for that.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a small taste of what we do here at our new milling facility here in Biel. Come in and visit us. We'd be happy to show you more.